This is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide details on your Xbox profile or your Xbox One account. And this is very easy. It says others can see your Xbox profile details. Decide who can see your Xbox profile bio and location. Now you have the options for everybody, friends, and block. And to get here, it's very easy. Just on the home screen of your Xbox One, press the Xbox button. Then tab on over to your profile and go on down to settings right here. Select this, go to account. Then go to where it says privacy and online safety. Type in your passkey if you got one. Then go to Xbox privacy and go to view details and customize. Then under here, let's go to profile. Then the first option will be others can see your Xbox profile details. So you can set it however you want. Then when you press the Xbox button, go to your profile and you look at your profile. Let's go to my profile right here. Other players won't be able to see your profile information. So like my bio and my location. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.